You ever check your bank account on a random Tuesday and think, okay, I make decent money, so where did it all go? Like, nothing dramatic happened. You didn't buy a car, you didn't go on vacation, and yet somehow you're still stuck, still stressed, still waiting for that moment where money finally feels easier. Yeah, that's not bad luck. That's bad advice. My name is Zach, and I spend way too much time thinking about money and why smart people stay broke. If you're someone who makes money but still feels behind, stressed, or one emergency away from panic, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Because today, we're talking about money advice that sounds smart but quietly keeps people broke. Here's the thing. A lot of people say, I'll start saving when I make more. And honestly, that sounds logical. But according to data from the Federal Reserve, nearly 40% of people earning over $100,000 still live paycheck to paycheck. Why? Because lifestyle expands faster than income. If you don't save $100 on a $3,000 paycheck, you won't magically save $1,000 on a $10,000 paycheck. Here's what most people don't realize. Saving isn't about income. It's about habits. Action step. Automate saving first, even 5%. Treat it like a bill you have to pay.
Look, this one gets a lot of people. As long as you can afford the monthly payment, the debt feels fine. A $600 car payment doesn't feel dangerous. It feels manageable. But let's do the math. If that same $600 was invested every month at 8% for 30 years, you're looking at over $900,000. Here's what most people don't realize. Debt doesn't just cost money. It steals future options. It steals flexibility. It steals freedom. Action step. Stop asking, can I afford the payment? Start asking, what does this cost my future? A lot of people tell themselves, I'm just bad with money. No, you're human. Psychologists call this present bias. Your brain values today way more than tomorrow. That's why spending feels good now and saving feels painful. This isn't a discipline problem. It's a system problem. Action step. Remove willpower from the equation. Use auto-pay, auto-invest, and friction on spending. Some people say, I need to understand investing before I start. And I get it, you don't want to mess it up. But waiting is what actually messes it up. If you invest $200 a month starting at 25 versus starting at 35, the early investor ends up with almost double, even though they invested less total money. Time beats intelligence. Every single time. Action step. Start simple. Broad index fund. Consistency over complexity.
A lot of people think budgeting means giving up everything fun, but people who don't budget actually spend more on things they don't even care about. A budget isn't restriction, it's permission. Think of it like a calorie plan. You don't stop eating, you just stop eating junk by accident. Action step. Cut mindless spending first, not the stuff you actually enjoy. People think once they hit a certain net worth, they'll finally feel secure. I've talked to people worth $50,000 and people worth $5 million. Same anxiety, different numbers. Security doesn't come from a number. It comes from control, low fixed expenses, a cash buffer, and flexibility. Action step. Focus on lowering stress, not chasing status. It feels like everyone else has it figured out. They don't. Most people are one missed paycheck away from chaos. They just hide it better. Comparison is expensive, and it's usually fake. Action step. Build your plan. Quiet wealth beats loud stress. Look, none of these beliefs make you stupid. They make you normal. But if you want a different financial future, you have to unlearn what sounds smart and start doing what actually works. Start small. Start imperfect. Just start. If this video helped you rethink money even a little, hit that thumbs up, subscribe for more straight talk finance, and I'll see you in the next one.